Welcome to our channel. In today's video we will be showing you how to open .mui files on your computer. MUI files are typically associated with Microsoft Windows localization and are used for storing language-specific information for system programs. These files aren't meant to be opened directly by users, but if you're trying to access their content or fix some issues related to them, here's how you can do it. Step 1. Understand the .mui file format. Before opening .mui files, it's important to understand what they are. MUI files stand for Multilingual User Interface files, and they store information related to localized versions of Windows programs. These files typically don't contain user-readable data, but are essential for the system to display different languages or regional settings. Step 2. Check the file location. MUI files are usually located in system folders, like C:\Windows\system32\, and are often paired with the executable .exe files of various Windows applications. They contain language-specific resources such as text strings, menus, or dialog boxes used by applications. Step 3. Use a resource editor, advanced method. To view or extract the data inside a .mui file, you'll need a resource editor. Programs like Resource Hacker or ResEdit can be used to open and explore the contents of MUI files. Follow these steps. Download and install a resource editor like Resource Hacker. Launch the tool and go to File, Open. Navigate to the MUI file you want to open, usually found in the C:\Windows\system32 folder. Open the file to explore its resources. Step 4. View .mui files using Notepad, text-based files only. Some .mui files might contain plain text data. If that's the case, you can try opening the file with a basic text editor like Notepad. However, this method will not work for all .mui files, as many of them are binary and cannot be read as text. Step 5. Revert or replace MUI files if corrupted. If your MUI files are corrupted or not working correctly, it may be necessary to revert them to their default versions. You can try the following. Use System File Checker (SFC) tool to scan and repair corrupted files. Alternatively, you can replace the corrupted MUI file by copying a fresh version from another system or reinstalling the relevant program or Windows component. Step 6. Do not edit or delete MUI files. Editing or deleting MUI files is not recommended unless you know exactly what you're doing. These files are essential for Windows language and localization features. Modifying or deleting them may cause errors or lead to system instability. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to support us. See you in the next one.